Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Jupitrr AI. Jupitrr with double R at the end, and there are two main features of Jupitrr AI which we would love to show you. You have the AI video maker and the audiogram maker. So right away we're going to sign up. You can continue with your Google or your email address. We're going to choose Google, and right here you'll be choosing an email address to use. Click on continue, and after the sign up process, we're on our Jupitrr homepage. At the top right corner, you have the option to upgrade, create new, or click on your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, you can see your video library and settings. Also, on the left side, you can see the option to create new, just as it was at the top right corner. You also have the library tab. Currently, there aren't any videos yet, but we'll be making a change very soon. There is also the affiliate marketing tab, the frequently asked questions, and settings. And at the bottom left corner, you can see your current plan status. For AI video, we have 5 over 5 minutes because we haven't used any. You also have 10 of 10 minutes for audiogram video. Now we're going to go over to settings. The settings layout is pretty minimalistic, as you can see your email address and your subscription plan. You can reset your password or delete your account. On the subscription, if your free plan is exhausted, you can go over to the upgrade button to click on it to see more options on Jupitrr. And when you do this, you will be taken to this page where you can see the different plans with Jupitrr. We're currently on the free plan, but you also have Starter, Creator, and Pro. So if you'd like to upgrade, this is how to do it. And now we'd like to start the creation process. We're going to click on Create New, and then we're going to choose AI Video or Audiogram. We're going to start with AI Video, and on this page, you can see Create a New Video. You have two main options. You could either choose this option to add B-rolls to your video, or you could turn your audio into video. Under the first option, you also have two options. You could upload your video which you would like to add B-rolls, or if you're trying this for the first time, you can go ahead and try a sample video. For this tutorial, we'll be using try sample video. But remember, if you're trying to upload, there is a maximum upload of 200 megabytes or 30 minutes of video. To have the best results for video, you're going to need to use MP4. So if you have any other video format, you might want to consider using a video converter to get an MP4. So now we're going to click on Try Sample Video. Now we're taken to this edit page. This page is divided into two. You have the left side and you have the right side. On the left side, you have visuals and subtitles. Now this is a transcript of the video. So one of the things you could do is to select a part of this script. And when you highlight this, you will have some options. You can generate an image, generate a video, search the web, add a GIF, upload an image or a video, or generate text overlay. So for this phrase or this question, we'll try to generate an image. We're going to click on it. As you can see, this is the visual that has been generated for this highlighted text. If you don't like it, you can switch to another B-roll. Let's try that. After clicking on switch to another B-roll, we're going to click on generate image. As you can see, we have another B-roll. However, if you don't like it, you can switch to another B-roll once again. You can click on the switch to other B-roll, and this will pop up once again. Now, if you want to generate a video, you can click on generate video instead. As you can see, it will delete the previous one and generate a new visual. As you can see, it has generated a visual for what we've highlighted. You can continue to do this. You could skip to another line, and when you highlight it, you can see generate video. We're going to choose generate video again. And now it has generated a visual for a jewelry just as the transcript suggests. Now you can continue these steps throughout all the transcripts. Before we continue, it is important to decide what resolution we would like to have our video. For example, we can see the different ratios right here. You have landscape, square, and portrait. When we select square, it will convert from landscape to square. And likewise, when we go over to portrait, it will switch over to portrait. Now, this is great if you're using it for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. At this point, we're going to continue with landscape since we'd like to see things in a fuller view. Now, back to the left side of the screen where we have our visuals and the transcript. You can continue generating more visuals for the transcript of this video. And when you're satisfied, you can go over to subtitles. On the subtitles, you have some basic options here. Under style, you can click on the drop down where you can choose between the styles of the caption. The first is a TikTok Reels caption, closed caption, or none. When we select closed caption, you can see that it looks very basic. When we click on the drop down menu once again, you can see none. Now, if you want your video to be without the subtitles, you will select this. However, we're going to go back to TikTok Reels caption. This looks more interesting, so we'll continue with the other options. You can select the font style, and there are several options for us to play with. We're currently on the Poetsen 1, and we'll leave it at that. Now, if you want everything to be capitalized, you can click on this button right here, and this will change your subtitles to all caps. Let's do that and see. Great, so now we have all our text in capital letters. And another thing we could do is to change the color of the text. So currently we have our text in yellow and white. We can click on the yellow and we have a color palette right here. We could switch it over to this color, make it more reddish or orange, and we could change the white to green. Fantastic. And now we have the option for number of words. Now, if you want more words to be displayed on your screen, you can leave it at this option. However, if you want it to be less, you can click on less, and this is how it's going to pan out. If you want one letter at a time, you could also have this. Now, when we go over to portrait and take it to less, you can see it's better for this style. If we take it to more, you can see it looks crowded. So you need to decide the best combination of the resolution and the number of words depending on your screen. We're going to go back to landscape and leave it under more. And the next thing you need to do is to set the font size. The font size is currently 74. You can take it to a higher number. We're currently at 90, and for the sake of demonstration, we're going to leave it at that. And now position Y determines where the text will be relative to the screen. When we take it to 0, it will be taken down the screen. When we take it higher, it will be going towards the center or higher up the screen. So this is also your choice according to your tastes. We're going to take it back to 20 and leave it at that. You also have animation. The current animation is the box highlight animation with purple as the highlight. You can click on the drop down and you can leave it at none. And this will take away the purple highlight. You could also switch it back to box highlight. Click on this to change the color to any other color you want. So after setting the visuals and the subtitles, you can have a preview of your video by pressing play. After all is done, you will have a beautifully made video. Now there is the Jupitrr AI watermark at the bottom right corner. If you like your own branding, you will have to click on Remove Watermark. However, this will be possible with other plans. With all the settings and preferences applied, you can go to the top right corner where you have Export. Click on it, and here you have the export settings. You can choose 1080p or 720. However, this sign right here indicates that you'll need to upgrade. So on the free plan, you can only choose 720p. And when it comes to the quality compression, you have two options available to the free plan, social media and the web. If you want to choose studio, once again, you'll need to upgrade. But since we have this already, we're going to click on export to have our video. At the top right corner, you can see the download stock assets status. And now that our video is exported, you can see the download right here. We now have it on our computer. We can click on play right here on Jupitrr.
Oh, so what do you do for work? And every single person that I had a conversation with that night had their own thing going on. One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup.
You'll notice that we didn't have much B-rolls. This is because in this demonstration, we chose to have B-rolls in two places. But for your case, you'll need to take the time to select B-rolls for each of the sentences or as you wish. And down here, you have the option to download it. However, it's been downloaded already, or you can go ahead and make another one. If you have any challenges and it's not downloading, you can click on download button here. And if that's not working, this word here is a link and you can click on it to try downloading it again. If you have any challenges, you can go to the bottom right corner and click on this icon right here. And you can write in your message or your challenge and you'll receive some help right here. However, we'd like to proceed to the other option here on Jupitrr. Remember we said we had the AI video maker and the audiogram maker. Now I'd like to try the audiogram maker, turn audio into shareable videos. We're going to click on try it now, and right here you have the option to upload an audio file. We're going to click on it, and we have our file right here. You can see that it's MP3, and you need to remember to make it MP3 to get the best results. And now we have this file, we're going to click on open. When it uploads, you will be taken to this page called Design Your Video. You have templates, designs, subtitles. Now the first thing here is the template. We need to first of all decide if it's an Instagram template, a YouTube, or a TikTok video. We're going to choose TikTok. And depending on what we choose, the templates will be changing according to the social media platform. So currently we chose TikTok and we'll take any of them. We're going to take this one right here. And then when we scroll up, we're going to select the design. Under design, you have your title goes here as a placeholder. You could also see your title goes here. And this means whatever we put in here, it will be displayed right here. So we're going to make this simple title, the sun. And then we're going to choose the font. We can click on the drop down and we have some options right here. We can choose quicksand, and then if you want a different avatar, you can click on this upload button where you will have to add an avatar. If you also have a banner, you can click on upload to add a banner. Alternatively, you can go over to Unsplash image and choose an image. However, there is a search option right here, so we're going to change this from technology to sun. Great. So we can choose this one right here, and you can see it changes immediately. Scrolling down, you can see background color, text color. The text color is currently white, and at this point, we might want to change the font to something bolder. We're going to click on it, click on Unbounded, and then we can scroll down again, click on the color, and change it. We could make it yellow, and right here, you're going to put your social media URL. When you're done with this, you can scroll back up, click on subtitles, and here you have 4 different subtitle options. We're going to choose word by word. And from the audio, you can see the transcript. The sun is a hot, bright star that gives us light and heat. Enjoy it every day. And this is exactly what's in the audio. So Jupitrr AI automatically provides the subtitles from your audio. So it also runs a speech-to-text service in making your process lighter. Now we can see that the color of the text is blending into the background, and we don't want that, so we're going to go back to design and change the color. This time we're going to take it to another color which we feel will be visible. We're going to take it to neon green and leave it at that. Back to subtitles just to confirm, and everything looks good. Down here, you can see the supported languages. If you'd like to see a full list of languages for this service, you can click on View Full List. Now, when everything is done, you can come over here to remove the watermark if you don't want it. Of course, again, if you want to remove it, you'll need to upgrade your plan. We're currently on free, so we'll be continuing with the export. Click on Export, and then it reminds you that 1 minute of credits will be used. So this will reduce your monthly quota. If it's good, you can confirm export. You can see our video right here. We can play it. The sun is a hot, bright star that gives us light and heat. Enjoy it every day. As simple as that. That was a brief audio, and you can see the result. If you don't have the download automatically, you can come down here and click on download. When you click on download, the process of downloading into your local drive will begin. And there you have it, the sun from Jupitrr. So after all the awesome generations, you can go over to the top right corner, click on this icon right here, and you'll see video library. When you click on it, you're going to see the recent videos which you generated. And rightly so, we've shown you how to use the AI video and the audiogram. If you'd like to download them once again, you have the little download icon right here, and you also have 3 dots here where you can change the video name or delete the audio. You could do the same for this one, where you can delete the video or edit the name. And now you're more familiar with Jupitrr AI. So go ahead, sign up, try to make yours, and thanks for watching.